Before we start the lab, let's understand how AWS keeps billing safe for new users. Every new account now receives up to $200 in free credits, $100 instantly at sign up, and up to another $100 after completing basic AWS tasks like launching an instance or setting up a billing alert. These credits are valid for about 6 months and can be used for any service. AWS has also shifted to an AWS free model for over 30 services, including 750 hours per month of EC2 T2.micro, public IPv4 usage, and limited storage for S3 and RDS. So, use your credits wisely, monitor usage, and most importantly, set up billing alerts. That's what we are going to do right now. Log into AWS Management Console using your root account since billing is only visible to the root user. In the search bar, type billing and select the billing and cost management service. On the left panel, click budgets and then select create budget. The AWS budget console now shows you two choices. Okay, use a template simplified and customize advanced. We'll use the template option first. You will see several predefined options. Choose monthly cost budget. It automatically tracks your monthly spending and alerts you if it exceeds your chosen limit. Next, fill in the details. Give a budget name. So student hyphen demo hyphen budget. Budget amount. So give the amount as $1. Now you can add up to 10 email IDs and you will get your notifications once you exceed this threshold. Under notification and thresholds, you can see you will be notified once your actual spend reaches 85%, your actual spend reaches 100%, and if your forecast spend is expected to reach 100%. These alerts give you enough warning to stop resources or check usage before your credits run out. If forecasted alerts aren't available in your region, AWS will send only the actual spend alerts. The scope section by default include all AWS services, so you don't need to change anything. Now review everything on the summary screen. When you're ready, click Create Budget. After a few seconds, your budget appears under My Budgets with the status Active. You will also receive a confirmation email from AWS Budgets. That means your billing alert is live and monitoring your account. From now on, AWS will automatically notify you as soon as your spend approaches or exceeds your limit. This simple setup ensures your status within your free tier and $200 credits. No surprises, no stress. This template method is fast, safe, and ideal for beginners. It uses preset thresholds so you don't have to configure everything manually. Thank you.